authored by Ghamari, Swiss economist. In the era of digital commerce, dropshipping has emerged as a successful and appealing business model. By eliminating the need to maintain inventory and simplifying the shipping process, it offers aspiring entrepreneurs an accessible entryway into the e-commerce sector. The choice of the target market is an integral element for success in dropshipping, with factors such as product type, shipping logistics, and consumer online purchasing power playing crucial roles. In this exploration, we will identify countries that, as of my knowledge cutoff in 2021, offer fertile grounds for lucrative dropshipping ventures. United States. A titan of the e-commerce world, the United States offers a vast consumer market coupled with an impressive internet penetration rate. The American consumer's familiarity and comfort with online shopping make it an attractive hub for dropshipping. Furthermore, the widespread English language use facilitates seamless communication and transaction processes. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom mirrors the United States in its significant e-commerce market, characterized by consumers possessing high purchasing power. The ubiquity of the English language online also simplifies conducting business within the UK market. Australia. With a burgeoning e-commerce sector and extensive internet use, Australia presents promising opportunities for dropshipping. Australian consumers demonstrate a noteworthy openness to international online shopping, broadening the prospects for overseas dropshippers. Canada. Canada, with its large, internet-savvy consumer base, is another prime location for dropshipping. Its geographical proximity to the United States is advantageous, enabling simplified shipping logistics for those targeting both markets simultaneously. Germany. Germany, one of Europe's economic powerhouses, offers a robust platform for dropshipping. With a reputation for regular online shopping and a keen eye for quality, German consumers offer a promising customer base for your dropshipping business. These countries, with their substantial e-commerce markets and high internet penetration, make them desirable destinations for entrepreneurs entering the dropshipping industry. However, achieving success in dropshipping isn't solely determined by the chosen market. It is also heavily reliant on effective marketing strategies, dependable suppliers, top-notch customer service, and a deep understanding of the target market's needs and preferences. It's crucial to bear in mind that the legislative landscape for e-commerce and international shipping varies extensively between countries. Comprehending and abiding by the rules and regulations of your chosen market is of paramount importance. For a more personalized assessment, consider consulting with a business advisor or conducting comprehensive research to pinpoint the most suitable market for your unique dropshipping venture.